Ever been stuck because your favorite app just won't work? TikTok won't load, Twitter won't refresh, or your WhatsApp calls keep dropping? We've all been there. That's when a VPN can save the day. But the question is, which VPN actually works? Today, we're reviewing one that's designed specifically for social media and messaging, RJC Tunnel VPN. We'll explore its features, test its speed, and find out if it's worth your time. Let's dive in. So what exactly is RJC Tunnel VPN? Take a look at the interface. It's simple, clean, and focused. Right here you see your connection status, duration, and most importantly, these dedicated packages: Twitter package, TikTok package, and WhatsApp plus Messenger. This is a big deal. Instead of connecting to random servers, RJC Tunnel gives you optimized servers for the apps you actually use. That means faster speeds and more stable connections where you need them most. Connection is lightning fast. Just a couple of seconds and you're in. Plus, it even tracks your data in real time. For anyone on a limited data plan, this is super useful. You can literally see how much you're sending and receiving. Without the VPN, TikTok just sat there buffering. With the TikTok package, smooth, instant scrolling, zero lag. Same with WhatsApp calls. Before, it was glitchy and unstable. After switching to the WhatsApp plus Messenger package, the video quality was clear, with no interruptions. That 5G label isn't just marketing. It really is optimized for speed and low latency. Now, is it perfect? Not quite. It's simple and focused, which is great for most people. But advanced users might notice the lack of features like a kill switch or a wide range of country servers. It's not trying to be everything. It's trying to be the best for social media access. And in that, it really delivers. And the best part? It's free, supported by ads. For the performance you're getting, that's honestly a steal. So, here's the final verdict on RJC Tunnel VPN. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews and tutorials, and don't forget to share this with friends who are struggling to get their apps working. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.